This next lesson we're dividing fractions, and one way I like to help students remember the steps for this is to unthink KFC. And so what do I mean by that? KCF. I bet you all thought I was talking about the chicken. When we're dealing with the KCF, the K stands for keep the first fraction the same. The C stands for change the division sign to multiplication. And the F is to flip the second fraction only. Okay, let's take a look at a couple of examples. Let's say we have 2/3 divided by 1/2. What we would do in this case is K, keep the first fraction the same, so we're going to keep our 2/3. Then we're going to change our division sign to a multiplication sign, and we flip the second fraction, which is also called finding the reciprocal. So now we're ready to solve the problem. 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 1 is 3. We're left with an improper fraction, and we learned earlier that we are to divide the bottom number into the top number, and so we know that 3 goes into 4 one time. 4 minus 3 is 1, and the bottom number stays the same. Let's take a look at that one more time. We have 1/5 divided by 10/2. We're going to keep our first fraction the same. We change our division sign to multiplication, and then we flip the second fraction. When we do that, we have 1 times 2, which is 2, and 5 times 10, which is 50. And here, these two can be reduced. We have an even number over an even number. And so when we have that, we're going to divide both the top and bottom number by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 50 divided by 2 is 25. And that's how you divide fractions.